Hello everyone. The topic of today's video is the taxability of Social Security benefits. Now generally, Social Security benefits are not taxable. Therefore, you do not have to report them on your tax return unless you have certain other taxable income. Then you are required to report your Social Security benefits because part of your Social Security benefits could be taxable based on the amount of your other income. So basically, if you have other substantial income in addition to your Social Security benefits, such as wages paid from a job, self-employment, interest, dividends, and other taxable income that has to be reported on your tax return, if that amount plus half of your Social Security benefits exceeds the minimum floor amount, then part of your Social Security benefits, unfortunately, will be taxed. And depending upon the amount of the income plus your Social Security benefits, the benefits could be taxed up to 50%, in some cases up to 85%. I know it's not fair, but I don't write the rules. I don't make them. This is currently the rules of the IRS, and so they are what they are, unfortunately. So a little bit more about the taxability and the minimum threshold amounts. If you file a federal tax return as an individual and your combined income is between $25,000 and $34,000, you may have to pay income tax on up to 50% of your Social Security benefits. If more than $34,000, up to 85% of your benefits may be taxable. If you file a joint return, that means married filing jointly, and you and your spouse have a combined income that is between $32,000 and $44,000, you may have to pay income tax on 50% of the benefits. More than $44,000, up to 85% of your benefits may be taxable. And if you are married and filing a separate return, you're probably going to pay taxes on your benefits. So basically, again, if Social Security income is your only income, it is not taxable. It is not reportable. So if you're having federal taxes voluntarily withheld from your Social Security benefits and you have no other income, you might want to stop the withholding because it's not necessary. So if you have withholding, even though you don't have to file a tax return, you may want to file a tax return in order to get the taxes back that was withheld because Social Security benefits are not taxable. So again, Social Security benefits by themselves, not taxable. If you have any other certain taxable income, wages, dividends, self-employment, interest, then you will need to combine the income, the other income plus 50% of your Social Security determines what the floor amount is, and those are the amounts that I mentioned earlier, which again, for a single filer, is between the amount of $25,000 and $34,000. Your benefits could be taxed up to 50%. And if it's more than $34,000, your benefits could be taxed up to 85%. And filing a joint return between $32,000 and $44,000, you may have to pay income tax on up to 50% of your Social Security benefits. More than $44,000, up to 85%. So just know that if you have other income, like capital gains, wages and interest and dividends that I mentioned earlier, you will need to report your Social Security so that the IRS can see whether or not they can take some of that money or not via taxes. So anyway, just wanted to kind of clear up some of the confusion about the taxability of Social Security benefits. And you may want to just Google taxability of Social Security benefits if you have further questions relating to the matter. But it's pretty clear as to when Social Security benefits are taxable. And again, Social Security benefits by themselves, no other income, don't even worry about filing a tax return. And that's the same with VA benefits. VA benefits are not taxable either. So if you just have Social Security benefits and VA benefits, neither of those benefits are taxable, so you do not have to file a tax return and you do not have to report the income. Okay, well, as my goal is to help make your life a little less taxing, I hope this video helps to do that. This concludes this session. Thank you.